Alright, here we have an 03 to 04 Gsxr 1000 Suzuki wiring harness. Back here, all this is the back of the wiring harness. There's your voltage regulator, your starter solenoid, your ECU. Alright, right here, this is the TPO switch. We did not have one when we got the harness, so we bypassed it. The way you bypass it is you get two 150 ohm resistors, so you can see the color codes, and the way you do it is you jump each one from the outside pin to the inside pin, just like that. Okay, coming up here we have the gauges. This wire right here, this will be our ground wire. I'm going to show you how to bypass the clutch switch the proper way. This will go to the relay. Slide this over here. Okay. This is the ignition switch. This will be your on-off for your handlebar switch. This will be your start button. This is going to be your relay. Alright, here you can actually see that the plug is yellow. On the yellow plug, you're going to take the black and yellow wire right here, and the black and white wire here. That's the wires that go to your clutch switch. This wire here and this wire here actually go through the harness over to the push button and back here to the ground. And the way that we done this is you take an air conditioning relay out of like a 92 Jeep Cherokee Sport. You don't have to necessarily use this particular relay, but we chose this one because of the flat blades. Here you'll see 85 and 86. This is what energizes your coil. You'll take 86 and run it back to the ground wire over here. And 85 will run over here to your start button. And then, let's see, what is that? 30 and 87 will plug in here. And you can see the numbers barely inside the relay. They're all labeled for you. And basically what it does is it energizes the coil so that whenever you hit the start button, it sends the relay, it sends voltage down the relay to bypass the clutch. And then here's your on and off switch. And it's actually coming in on...
Now the relay fixes the problem with the power loss, correct?
That is correct. The reason why we're using the relay is because when you engage, you have to engage the clutch to start it. But if you just twist the wires together, or if you put it on a toggle, it will stay in neutral map. If you use the relay, when you activate the start button, it engages the relay to allow it to crank. When you let go of the button, it'll go back into normal mode, normal map. Okay, and here, let me get it where you can see it. Okay, this red wire runs over for the coil. This one right here, the, was it yellow and green? Yeah, yellow and green is for your start button, and those actually come out of this yellow plug. And then here you'll have the orange and black and the orange and white. Those are your run button. That's for your handlebar. Those also came out of this plug. The reason we have red tape on it is because we're no longer using this anymore. So hopefully that helps y'all figure out how to bypass the clutch and bypass the TPO sensor on an 04 Gsxr 1000.